Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about gems in Gemini. So gems in Gemini are custom specialized AI assistants designed to handle specific tasks. They act as experts for recurring goals. They allow users to create customized versions of Gemini by providing them detailed instructions, often referred to as custom GPTs, in order to automate workflows, such as acting as a coding partner, a writing assistant, or marketing expert. So now let us explore some of the gems and I will show you how you can create one and use them. So as here you can see, in order to access this gems option, you will need to simply click onto the gems option right here over the left hand tab. And once you will do this, it will open this instance of the Google Labs which says build AI apps, a new kind of gem from Google Labs. Now as you can see, there are some gems made by the labs like Recipe Genie, Marketing Maven, Claymation Expert, or Learning with YouTube. So if you wish to use any of them, you can simply remix them by adding up your own style, adding up your own customizations to them. Apart from that, if you wish to create your own new gem, you can simply click on to this new gem and it will give you this option. So as you can see, I have clicked onto the new gem and now it says describe the AI mini app you want to build. So if you are looking out for any inspiration, you can try these prompts. So let me go for this particular prompt and then I'll simply send it. Now it says welcome to Opal, which is AI mini app, a new kind of gems. I will click on to accept. If I wish, I might need to log in if I want, but for right now, I have done the thing. Now let us paste the prompt again and now it says creating your app. So right now it is creating my app. There are various different stages to the same, like planning and deployment and another things as well. So make sure that this is a experiment version, and after all of the steps are done, you can obviously prompt it to make it better, do some more adjustments, and that's how you can create your own mini app called Gems in Gemini. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.